This process began today at election headquarters or continued at the election headquarters statewide. An emergency hearing was held in Broward County.
Rick Scott wanted an injunction that would allow BSO deputies to impound voting machines and ballots during times when the recount was not going on. CBS 4's Ted Scouten is live in Fort Lauderdale now with what was decided. Ted.
Rudaban Elliott, the judge opted not to grant that request for an emergency injunction, saying that no one presented in court any kind of evidence of wrongdoing. The court, however, did act and also urged attorneys to choose their words carefully.
I am urging, because of the highly public nature of this case, to ramp down the rhetoric.
A Broward judge urging attorneys to watch what they say about this election recount, as words like fraud are thrown around with no evidence to back it up.
If someone in this lawsuit or someone in this county has evidence of voter fraud or irregularities at the supervisor's office, they should report it to their local law enforcement officer. If the lawyers are aware of it, they should get the person to swear out an affidavit.
That comes as attorneys for Governor Rick Scott, who's running against incumbent Senator Bill Nelson for a Senate seat, go to court trying to get a judge to order more security at the Supervisor of Elections office. They say they want to protect ballots and counting machines.
What we are asking the court to do today is to remove any doubt. Take away the concerns of the citizens, take away the concerns of the public that this election process will be protected.
An attorney for the Supervisor of Elections office said BSO already provides security there, and this is nothing more than an attempt to hype a false narrative.
They're just saying we would be more comfortable if we could somehow get an order from this court to at least imply that intervention was necessary because we didn't trust Dr. Snipes.
The judge did not grant that injunction, and Scott's attorneys withdrew it. Instead, the 15 lawyers at the table agreed to a plan suggested by the judge to add 3 more BSO deputies to the security staff. Those deputies will not answer to the Supervisor of Elections.
Because there is so much going on in the public domain, I believe that there needs to be some additional layer of confidence that the votes are being protected, the machines are being protected, etc., over at the elections office.
And the judge also stressed transparency to the attorney for the Supervisor of Elections office, urging him to tell the supervisor to hold more briefings so the public can stay up to date. Live in Fort Lauderdale, Ted Scouten, CBS 4 News.